Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blog site on Weebly. If you've decided you no longer need a blog section on your Weebly website, removing it is straightforward and only takes a few clicks. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage, which serves as the central hub for managing all your Weebly sites. Now direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it to expand your site management options. Underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click on Edit Site to proceed to the next stage. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website where you want to delete the blog. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click on this button to enter the editor page of your chosen website. You're now in the editor, which is where you can make changes to your site's structure and content. On the top menu bar, find and click on Pages. This option controls all the pages and sections currently active on your website. A list of all your existing pages will appear, including your blog page. Simply locate the blog from this list and click on it to select it. Once selected, you'll see a Delete option. Click Delete to remove the blog section from your website. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the blog site from your Weebly website. This action helps streamline your site and removes any content you no longer need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.